Hello everybody. Quick some questions I have. This is a Takeuchi tl140. I love the machine, great to run, but it's had some problems since we purchased it. This winter I had it left at a farm to load hay, and I thought the cable broke, but it was this latch up top that is up here. So we're putting a new latch in. I gotta hook the cables up. Cables were getting bad, but when I took the back window out to get in, because I couldn't get in because the latch wouldn't work, it shattered. I tried to find a polycarbonate one, or I have access to a CNC. I was going to router out some Lexan polycarbonate. I ended up ordering glass because I need to get this thing to work here real soon. But just wondered if anybody found a source for a polycarbonate window or knew the STL file. I had problems getting the curves right so it would fit in. So leave me a comment if you know of an STL file to cut something like that out. And the other problem I've had with this thing is sometimes it acts like it's running out of fuel. Put a new fuel pump on it, fuel filters, always has fuel in the sight glass, but every once in a while it seems like if this thing's pointed downhill, it starts missing. So somebody wants to let me know if they've had that problem before and how they solved it. I'd appreciate the comment. Thank you.